Have you ever wondered how to make serious money with side hustles in 2024? Side hustles, once just small-time gigs, have evolved into powerful income generators. They've become more lucrative and accessible than ever before. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of side hustles and uncover their money-making secrets. The first step to making money from a side hustle is finding the perfect one. It's crucial to identify a side hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and the time you can dedicate. You wouldn't want to be stuck doing something that feels like a chore, would you? Consider current market trends. What services or products are in high demand? Could you offer something unique or superior? But remember, don't just chase the trends. Make sure it's something you're genuinely interested in. Next, take a look at your existing skills. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Or perhaps you have a knack for teaching? Your current skills could be a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Lastly, don't be afraid to explore new areas of interest. Learning a new skill or venturing into a different industry can be exciting and rewarding. Remember, a successful side hustle is not just about the money. It should also provide personal satisfaction and growth opportunities. Once you've found your side hustle, it's time to turn it into a money-making machine. Planning and executing a strategy is crucial for your success. Start with clear goals. What do you want to achieve? How much income do you aim to generate? These goals will guide your actions and keep you focused. Next, draft a business plan. It doesn't have to be complex or lengthy. It's a roadmap outlining what you offer, who your customers are, and how you'll reach them. Consider how you'll stand out from the competition. Now, let's talk about marketing. You don't need a big budget. Social media, word of mouth, and local advertising can work wonders. Remember, it's all about connecting with your audience. Customer service is the final piece of the puzzle. Treat your customers well, and they'll come back for more. Building a profitable side hustle takes time and effort, but with the right approach and determination, the rewards can be immense. Success in side hustles isn't just about starting, it's about persisting and improving. It's about being brave enough to learn continuously, adapt to the changes around you, and seek help when you stumble. Yes, your journey might be filled with twists and turns, but remember, it's your resilience and perseverance that will steer your side hustle towards success. So buckle up, embrace the challenges, and keep evolving. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is not just hard work, but also smart work. In 2024, side hustles are more than just a trend. They are a viable path to financial freedom. We've explored identifying, building, and succeeding in your side hustle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on making the most of your side hustles. Here's to your success in 2024 and beyond.